cheap versus expensive. We got a $30 keyboard and a $130 keyboard. One's Hall Effect, the other one's TMR. The cheaper one's Hall Effect, the more expensive one's TMR. So we got the cheapest and versus the most expensive from Monsgeek. All right, so I guess first we'll go ahead and unbox the cheaper one, the Fun60, the Hall Effect. Let's go ahead and get that one open. Okay, so this one is 0.01 millimeter rapid trigger, 8K polling rate, web driver, snap key, DKS, Hall Effect. It's got onboard memory and key rollover and shine through keycaps. For $30, I'll take it. Oh, it's protected. I didn't panic, you panic. Almost gave me a freaking heart attack, dude. Jesus. Jeez. Okay, you got the Monsgeek little logo here already. One up on a lot of cheaper keyboards don't even have a logo right here, so that's nice. Pretty light ABS case. I mean, this thing is very light. Just a Type-C port on the back, but it's got 4 rubber feet. It's got adjustable feet with rubber on them. Mac and Windows switch on the back too, and your USB. It's simple, I like it. Nothing too fancy, good stats. Okay, there's a dongle, keycap and switch puller, and a cable. Let's see how long it is. Hey, that's actually really long. Good job, dude. So there's your Fun60. 30 bucks. That's what you get. Plain black keyboard. Now we're gonna see what $130 can get you from Monsgeek. Let's go ahead and open up the M1 V5 box. First of all, a lot bigger. TMR, not Hall Effect. This one's also 8K polling rate. This one's aluminum, however, not ABS case. Almost the same stats when it comes to performance. 0.01 millimeter rapid trigger. It's MagMech. Snap key, 8K polling rate, quick release. It's got a web driver, same as the other one. It's an aluminum case, it's got DKS, it's TMR, hot-swappable switches, tri-mode, and in-key rollover. Hello baby, welcome to the world, how are you? Oh yeah, she's a heavy. Boom. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a chunk, dude. This thing is freaking beefy, boy. My God. And it's got the, like the gradient or like the ombre. Dang, dude, this thing's way heavier. I could tell alone just the material cost is definitely way higher. Solid brick of aluminum. Love that. It's got a knob. No screen or anything, but it's got a cute little knob. Some functionality on the side. Function bar up at the top. And then on the side you have a home, page up, page down, and end. And then you have your 4 arrow keys, which is mostly stuff you don't get on this one. And then on the back, you have a Type-C, and then it says Monsgeek keyboard, and there's like a rubber or silicone around the edge. And then no adjustability or anything like that, just your 4 standard rubber feet. And then you have their little Monsgeek logo engraved on the bottom. That's a cute little touch. We have a dongle, Type-C cable, Type A to Type-C, just as long as the other one, if not maybe a little bit longer. All right, and then we have your switch puller, separate, and it says Akko. It's Akko brand. I love Akko. We have an Akko keyboard right here. Boom. Love Akko, they're great. Okay, so we got our switch puller, and the last thing in the box is our keycap puller, and it's also purple, and it also says Akko on it, and there's also a little ring so you could spin it. This is what you get for the expensive keycap and switch puller. Cute purple, little logo on it, you know, and then this is what you get for the $30 one. See the difference? It's a combo one, no logo, no cool color. Hey, I want this one. This is way cooler. So that's your major differences in a little bit of accessories. You get a little bit of a one-up over the cheaper one. So first impressions, you know, this one, I like it. It's nice and cheap. It's light. You can throw it around. It's got a cute little logo on it. If somebody needs a keyboard, a gaming keyboard that's actually good, not like go to Walmart, buy a membrane, Razer keyboard for $150 that doesn't even have rapid trigger. Literally this thing, 0.01 millimeter rapid trigger, 8K polling rate, $30. Case closed. These basically have almost the same stats, but this one is obviously $30. So it kind of just depends on your style preference and your material preference. Obviously, an aluminum body is going to cost you a lot more, just material costs alone. First impressions of this one. Very heavy. I like the colors. It definitely feels like an extra $100. It feels like a little more than an extra $100 went into this one compared to this one. I like it. It's my fave. So let's do a sound test on each of them. Okay, nice and thick, pretty loud. Alright, that one's a little quieter. I don't know, I just like the way it sounds when I'm typing on it. I don't know how to explain it, but this one definitely sounds better. Okay, so the cheap one, the switches, it comes with the Akko glare magnetic switch. Okay, and then in the more expensive one, we have the Akko AstroAim magnetic switches. Okay, so real quick, TMR versus Hall effect. So basically, Hall effect was, you know, it was your grandpappy's TMR, okay? So it was a magnetic sensing system. It was one of the first magnetic sensings, if not the first magnetic sensing system. Okay, so Hall effect is basically just detecting like the presence or the distance between two magnets. It just feels, it's less of an electrical signal and more of physical distance between two switches. With the TMR, it essentially just senses the resistance immediately. So if there's any changes in the magnetic field at all, in any way, it would engage a switch technically faster through TMR. So TMR is basically, you know, the new Hall effect. The main positive points about TMR is that it's got higher precision, greater sensitivity to smaller movements. It's got lower power consumption, which is probably a big motivating factor. And it also has increased durability. They last a lot longer. If you're trying to decide between TMR and Hall effect and you can afford it, definitely try out TMR. It won't let you down. I like Hall effect too though. It's also really good. It's way better than traditional linear switches. Those are even older. And now we're going to plug them in, check out RGB, and then test them out in a game. See you at the computer.
Okay, here we go. So we have the Monsgeek. It's app.monsgeek.com. Type that into your browser. I'll leave a link for it. Add device, Monsgeek keyboard, hit connect. We have configuration. This is where you can edit each key. Select a key on the virtual keyboard above the start. Up to 3 combination keys can be selected. You can also macro. You can also media it. You can also disable it. Magnetic switch settings. You can do your custom actuation point here. You could turn on your RT turbo mode, false touch guard, continuous rapid trigger. Select all. Change this. 0.10 millimeter release. 0.10 millimeter press. 3 millimeter release, maximum. RT turbo mode on. RT trigger distance 0.01. We have advanced. This is your DKS, mod top, toggle key, and your snap key settings. You can change the polling rate to 8K here. You have your sleep time for Bluetooth and 2.4G. Okay, and then down here you have your FN setting. Similar stuff to the menu above. You have a more in-depth macro menu here. This is where you can change your lighting. If you want to do this instead of doing the button combination, then it's a little bit easier on here. And then you can customize, I think you can customize each key here. You have a little bit of about information. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty standard. And it's the same sort of stuff for the Fun60, same app. So, and like I said, it's a web driver, so it's nice. You don't have to do any downloading, no worries about nothing. Hit connect and you're good to go. Super easy. Make a bookmark out of it. Call it a day. That's the software. $30 keyboard, RGB. Well, if we go, you can see the keys light up. That's kind of cool. Shine through. Love that. South facing. Okay, let's do lighting modes. So that's what you got. Red, green, blue, yellow, purple, green, yellow. What is that? Turquoise. Multicolored. Obviously we're gonna pick this one. Cool. We got some RGB. That's nice. They're just sitting in their spawn. Woo, boy.
There's still a chance to stop them. Better stop that vehicle.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Fuck off, Angela! I'm killing Jeff.
So much for midnight off. Can't handle the heat. A little help, please. That's my double KO. Watch me soar. Your day ends, demon.
Back up, away from checkpoint. Stay back. No, I think not. I think we won't let this happen. No.
Double KO.
Then you're next.
Another epic.
Oh, yes! Get shit on! Let's go, dude. I was not locked in. Bro, I thought I could be Angela again, but I don't know what it is about Angela, bro. I can't do it. I be trying, dude. I be trying. Alright, let's do one more with the other keyboard. Whoa!
The battle starts in
Whoa!
4, 3, 2.
I'm showing off lighting!
All you need to do
I'm
is
keeping this
capture
one.
the
This one's
area.
sick.
Got it?
Okay, yeah, plenty of RGB, guys. Anyways, I gotta lock in. I'm letting my teammates down. Oh, this one instantly feels so much better. It's not even close. Not the alt, bro.
Supernova!
Am I hitting anyone? Let's go. Oh, there's a bunch of dudes down here. You're not coming up here, are you? Oh, yes, 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 yes,
The halfway point.
yes.
You actually did it, Flame.
Oh my god! That is like the fastest of... Oh yeah, push him off. Yo! I have never seen anybody actually pull that off yet. Yo! Live, dude. That's crazy, bro. You want to lift or what, bro? Come on, dude. Let's do this.
Got your back.
This Angela's going to be my biggest problem, probably.
A little help, please.
We got it. Yes! Oh! Oh, do we have to go again? Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. Lock in, lock in. Oh, there's a freaking... There's a bunch of people right here. I don't want to ult yet. Maybe I should. I'm gonna. This was a good ult. This was worth it. This was worth every penny. You're funny. That wasn't even close enough, idiot. You're trash. Oh my god, kill Angela. Yes! Oh my god, get clapped, Thor. I'm running. I'm scared. Ooh. Ah! Give me the med kit. Yes, yes, yes. Get cooked, brother. Yes, give me this bubble so I can fly fast. Thank you. Oh, I'm gone. Oh, you guys about to lose like that? Y'all about to lose like that? Oh! Too easy! Come on, dude. You know I'm MVP, bro. Give me that MVP. Not the me failing on Angela and then the and then the Angela MVP. That's wild, bro. Okay. Anyways, so Monsgeek. We got two beautiful keyboards here. Like I said, this is a more expensive $130, but it's TMR. I mean, there's definitely a huge difference. It's just nice and high quality. It's heavy aluminum. The switches felt really good. And then, of course, we have the cheaper one, the $30 one. And that was great for gaming, too. Like, I can't lie. I didn't even need the wrist rest for this one. I really like this one. It's a nice $30 8K polling rate. Literally, find me a $30 keyboard with 8K polling rate. I'll wait. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next tech review. Make sure to watch the keyboard playlist. There's a lot of real good ones in there. Check out Akko. Check out Monsgeek. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys later. Peace.